Right, so one more problem on the concepts that utilize vectors. So if you see, there is an orange ball that is moving in the leftward direction with velocity v1, and then it is hit by another ball, and then this orange ball starts moving along the positive y-axis. And the question is, what is the direction of acceleration of this orange ball during the collision? Now, first of all, the acceleration of this ball is because of change in direction, and obviously the velocity has also changed to v2. So on the right hand side, you can see the solution. The initial velocity is minus v1i because it's leftwards, minus x-axis. The final velocity is upwards. You find the change in velocity. You can see the change in velocity is given by v2j plus v1i. And if you see, both are positive, so tan theta is v1 by v2, and therefore it should lie in the first quadrant. So answer C is the correct answer for the acceleration experienced by the orange ball. Just think about the fact that v2j plus v1i vector is in the first quadrant, and you will understand it. Thank you.